I'll guide you through how to redeem Temu coupons and apply vouchers without dealing with annoying minimum spend errors or missing the quick expiration dates. If you're looking to activate that big new user bundle discount, or you want to ensure your referral code is locked in before you start shopping, and you need to successfully apply your Temu coupons and vouchers to save the most money, then this tutorial will walk you through the complete steps. If you're ready, hit the like button. Let's get started. The first and most critical step is finding and preparing your code. This ensures you know what discount you have and if it meets the requirements. Open the Temu app, tap the U tab at the bottom, and select Coupons and Offers to open your digital discount wallets. Before you proceed, make sure to read the terms for the voucher you plan to use, paying close attention to the expiration date and the minimum purchase threshold it requires. You have two main methods for redemption. The first is to proactively redeem and save the coupon to your account for later. While still on the Coupons and Offers screen, you will see a field at the top marked Enter Coupon Code. Type in your code here and tap Apply. This is the safest way to ensure your code is saved and doesn't expire before you decide what to buy. And it will automatically appear as an option later at checkout. The second method is to apply the code directly at checkout. After filling your cart with items that meet the minimum spend, click Checkout. Scroll down the order details past the payment methods and go to the Order Summary section. Look for the button labeled Apply Coupon Code or Coupons and Offers. Tapping this gives you the choice to either select a coupon already saved to your account or to manually enter a brand new code into the text box. Once applied, the discount is instantly reflected in your final order price. Finally, here's the biggest secret to maximizing your savings: the Temu credits. You generally cannot stack two different coupons, but you can stack one coupon with any Temu credits you've earned from games or referrals. So make sure to tick the box to apply your available credits before applying your coupon code for maximum savings on your order total. If your coupon isn't working, double check that your cart total meets the required minimum spend amount. For advanced discount management, check the description below. Now that you've learned how to redeem Temu coupons and apply vouchers, please consider subscribing to the channel. If you have any questions, comment below and I'll respond. Click this card to explore more Temu video tutorials. Thanks for watching.